Hi, welcome to Two Piece en Español. How are you?
Hi, glad to be here. How are you?
Fine, thank you so much for asking. Okay, today there is another dialogue and it's about work. It says, El jefe está de malas hoy. Sí, se pasó de lanza con la chamba. So,
Mm.
do you want to go first now?
El jefe está de malas hoy.
Sí, se pasó de lanza con la chamba. Yay. Okay, so el jefe está de malas hoy. It says the boss is in a bad mood today. De malas, it's like yeah, bad mood. So it's de
Mhm.
malas. And then it says, sí, se pasó de lanza con la chamba. Yeah, he went too far with the work. Okay, lanza, it's like, how do you call it? It's to throw something. It's, lanza. Hmm. It's a tool that you throw. It's like oh yeah, in the sports when you throw the it was the jabalina, that.
The javelin? Okay,
Yeah,
the javelin.
yeah.
Yeah.
So it's like a super fast, and it's just like a little tube or like a stick, but it's of
Uh-huh.
metal, of
Uh-huh.
course, or other material. Sorry, in Chamba. We love in Mexico City to talk with CH. Oh, give me a
Mm.
second. I need to make a. Yeah, yeah, okay. In Mexico City, we talk with CH. Many words are with CH. Actually, there is a song.
Chido.
Yeah,
Ch- Yeah.
yeah. There is a song that it's the anthem to Mexico City. It's Chilanga Banda. And
Mm.
the band is what's his name? Oh, I don't remember. Oh my goodness. Let me remember. I love them, but Café Tacuba. Yeah,
Oh, yeah, yeah, okay.
I love them. Okay, so
They're so great.
yeah, one day we can talk about that song because
Yeah.
it has a lot of ch. And I learned that because of the Romani people that came to Mexico in that time, they have a lot of ch words. And in
Oh.
Mexico City, we copied all of them and we feel like a very comfortable, you know? For example, chamba or chamaco. Chamaco, it's a kid.
Mm.
Uh, I mean, chamarra is chamarra. It's a jacket, but we have a lot like chale, for example,
Mm.
chido, we have a lot.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
And yeah, okay. So, here we have
Cheve.
cheve y chela,
Mm-hmm.
Okay, se pasó de lanza o pasarse de raya. It's like a slang phrase that it's super used um, with someone that abused or he was like an rude. So lanza is a
Rude. Okay.
spear.
Mm-hmm.
That was the word, you know. So yeah, for example, uh, if I talk to you in front of other people very rude, you can say, se pasó de lanza, you know? Or, for example, if you push me and I answer in a really bad way, it's like a not proportional. You can say, hey,
Mm.
se pasó de lanza,
Okay.
or when you are driving and another car is driving like very aggressive,
Uh-huh.
and cut in front of you,
Also the lanza.
se
Uh-huh.
pasó de lanza, o
It's
pasarse de la raya.
okay. It's kind of like denoting when someone is crossing a line
Hmm.
with you.
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
that pasarse de la raya, it's that crossing the line.
Uh-huh.
So in this case, is that the boss gave a lot of work or things to do. So se pasó de lanza, se pasó de la raya. Yeah, maybe it's because lanza, it's kind of a line,
Mm-hmm,
it
mm-hmm.
could be pasarse de raya, de la raya.
That's interesting. Okay. Okay.
So that's the one, pasarse de lanza. Let me think. What other example? Mm, hmm. I remember when I was in high school, I used to be famous. And I used to kiss and hug every single person in my level, because the first one was the first grade and then second and third. So I was like a senior
Hmm.
at the end. And then I arrived with this guy, and I mean, we were classmates for years, but that day he decided to, instead of give me the kiss on the cheek, he gave it to me like a closer to the mouth,
Mm,
you know?
mm.
So as soon as I felt, I smack with my hand.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It was like an instant.
Oh, like in the face you slapped him?
Yeah, I slapped him like a splash
Wow.
in front of everyone. But in the moment, it was like a natural, it was not thinking, I
Yeah.
just did
Right.
it.
Yeah. No, a reaction. Yeah.
Yeah, and then when I like in that second, I realized that what I did, and I start laughing, like a nervous laughing, because
Mm.
that's the way I am. I start laughing when I am nervous, and he told me that I crossed the line. He said, "Te pasaste de lanza," and I said, "No, no, no, tú te
Yeah, tú
pasaste de lanza."
primero, tú
Yeah,
primero.
exactly. Yeah, I remember that moment. It was like awkward, but I mean, I
Right.
didn't hesitate. I just did it. But it was,
Yeah. Yeah.
I feel proud of myself. Yeah,
Yeah, good for you standing up for yourself.
yes. Okay, so that what? And then, okay, chale, about the chamba. It's also jale.
Chale,
I have
chamba.
heard here about jale in like
Uh-huh.
people. They said that,
Uh-huh.
oh, I am going to the work. They say, hoy me tocó
Uh-huh.
jale. So today I am going to work. And
Uh-huh.
jalar,
Uh-huh.
it means to pull something like for example, when you're
Oh,
pulling the donkey or something. So
okay.
maybe it's because long time ago in the camp when you were working with the crops, and in
Uh-huh.
order to arar, how do you call arar when you are moving with the animals? Do you remember the bulls? They were,
To plow?
yeah, to plow.
Okay.
So you are pulling the animals.
Mm-hmm.
So it's a really like a jalando, it's to work hard, because I mean, I am sure that pulling some oxes and animals,
Yeah.
there
Yeah.
to do that with the soil, that would be hard. So
Right.
now, I in Mexico, no, in Mexico we don't say that. I start listening to those words here, like the jale.
Oh,
Yeah, in Mexico City is chamba, but it doesn't
more like
have to be.
yeah,
Mhm.
more Mexican American turn of phrase.
Yes. Yeah.
Hmm.
Mhm. And then so we have again, el jefe está de malas hoy.
Sí. Se paso de lanza con la chamba.
Yeah, like that. Yay! So I am a really good coworker. So I am not
Eso.
no me voy a pasar de lanza. Thank you so
No,
much. I
no,
hope you learned
nunca.
something. Oh
Yeah,
no.
thank
I
you.
hope you learned something. It's super cool pasarse de lanza. No, 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 no. It's not cool to pasarse de lanza. It's cool
No,
that
it's a
you
good
learned that.
phrase. It's a good phrase. Yeah.
Yeah. No, it's not cool to pasarse. Thank you so much for coming.
Thank you.
Bye
And talk
bye.
to you soon. Bye.